In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about CC and BCC in email and how to effectively use them in Gmail. Whether you're new to email or just need a refresher, understanding these features can significantly enhance your communication. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's always good to start from scratch, ensuring we're all on the same page. Once your Gmail is up and running, the next step is to click on Compose to start a new email. This is where the magic begins. As you prepare to write your message, the fields for recipients, including to, CC, and potentially BCC, come into play. The primary recipient's email address needs to go into the to field. Think of this as the main stage. These are the folks who need the email the most and are expected to respond or take action. Now you might already notice the CC field, which stands for carbon copy. It's usually visible right away. If you need it, just fill in the email addresses of the people who should be aware of the conversation, but aren't necessarily required to respond. The BCC field, standing for blind carbon copy, might not be immediately visible. That's okay. It's actually hidden by default to keep things tidy. To reveal it, look for a small downward arrow next to the CC field. Click on it and there it is, ready to house the addresses of recipients who should be in the loop discreetly. A quick tip when entering these additional addresses: separate them with commas to keep everything organized and functioning properly. Now that you know where to put everyone's email, go ahead and draft your message as usual. Once you're satisfied with your email, hit send. But let's circle back to why CC and BCC are so important. Both features allow you to send copies of your email to multiple recipients, yet they serve slightly different purposes based on privacy needs and communication etiquette. Using CC is helpful when you want everyone to be aware of who else is involved in the conversation. However, when you want to keep the recipient's addresses confidential, perhaps to respect their privacy or avoid unwanted reply all chains, using BCC is your best bet. BCC ensures that the recipients aren't visible to each other, maintaining their privacy and minimizing potential clutter resulting from unnecessary group replies. Mastering CC and BCC in Gmail not only streamlines your email communication, but also helps you maintain professional decorum. I hope this guide has clarified how to utilize these features effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more digital communication tips.